In this chapter we will show some basic nested HTML elements. HTML elements can be nested. This means that elements can contain other elements. All HTML documents consist of nested HTML elements. The following example contains 4 HTML elements: HTML, body, h1 and p. Example explained. The HTML element is the root element and it defines the whole HTML document. It has a start tag HTML and an end tag /HTML. Then, inside the HTML element there is a body element. The body element defines the document's body. It has a start tag body and an end tag /body. Then, inside the body element there are 2 other elements, h1 and p:. The h1 element defines a heading. It has a start tag h1 and an end tag /h1:. The p element defines a paragraph. It has a start tag p and an end tag /p. Never skip the end tag. Some HTML elements will display correctly, even if you forget the end tag. However, never rely on this. Unexpected results and errors may occur if you forget the end tag.